What's up, Maxis? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Vechain and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. We would really appreciate it if you would like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. Make sure to like, subscribe and comment to be eligible. Only 20% of viewers are subbed, so please tap that red subscribe button. We've had reports our content isn't being recommended to our subs at the moment, so please hit the bell icon and turn on all notifications so you never miss a video. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to all of you for your support. You're all amazing. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So over the past 24 hours, we had obviously that tweet from Elon Musk saying that he is essentially breaking up with Bitcoin, something which did see the market have a slight downturn, as we could quite clearly see here. But it does look as though Vechain's making a nice recovery. As we can see, it actually came down and bounced pretty much perfectly off of this 12-cent support line, which we have outlined for some time here, as we can see. And we are making the fabled higher lows and higher highs that we've been asking for a long time for Vechain. It does look as though it's still trading upwards inside of this channel that we've outlined, which is good news in our opinion. It does look as though things are going to plan for Vechain, and it is recovering quite nicely from the recent correction that we saw in the market. It's currently trading at around 14 cents, as we can see. It's bouncing in and around this previous swing high of resistance. But it does look as though, as was said, we're making higher lows and higher highs here. So hopefully we'll come back. We've already back tested this level here, so hopefully we can press onwards and make another higher high, as we can see here, which would complete this reversal completely. Obviously this is your A, B, C, D, and maybe the E wave as well for continuation. But it does look as though Vechain's starting to recover very well. There's clearly quite a lot of demand for this crypto because it is recovering quite nicely. We're still down around 50% from the all-time high though, so I mean, what an opportunity to get into Vechain here. You could get a 2x just back to the all-time high, and as we've said in all of our videos previously, we do think Vechain will easily go over $1 this year, probably more like $2 or $3. So you're looking at a 10, possibly a 20x from here, most likely in our opinion, just because of the sheer amount of use case that Vechain has. Not to mention the fact that once it gets running, you can quite clearly see that it runs very, very fast. So I think this was around a 6 or a 7x in the space of 1 or 2 months. So if you imagine a 6 or a 7x from here at around a price of 14 cents, that's essentially almost $1 just from the current price. And obviously a 6 or a 7x from the all-time high of around 28 cents, that's well over $1, almost $2. So clearly there's still a lot of potential for Vechain. But just take a look at what's been happening in the past 24 hours. We can see that we obviously got this little correction to the downside here because of the wider market and Bitcoin having a correction, but it does look as though Bitcoin has actually sorted itself out now, and it's actually moving to the upside again. There was a pennant that Bitcoin broke out of a few days ago, but it actually retested the pennant after it broke to the upside, but then it got rejected back to the downside because of that Elon Musk tweet. But it actually looks like it's broken out of that pennant yet again. So it remains to be seen what's going to happen for Bitcoin, but if it can come up and reapproach that 40k mark, as we've been saying for weeks now, it does seem very likely to us that Vechain and everything else in the market's going to have a great pump, because obviously if we can get back above that 41, 42k mark, we'll be above those weekly moving averages for Bitcoin, and we can basically get back on our bikes. The bull run will be fully resumed and the bulls will have control of the market again, which will obviously be good for Vechain as well, because we're most likely going to see this continuing to trade upwards in this channel. And obviously if we continue on this path by the end of June, if we continue upwards in this trajectory that we're at, take a look at the 25th of June here, we could easily be in between 20 and 23, 24 cents here, which would be almost a full recovery for Vechain, which is what we want to see. Obviously this is a great project, and it's been absolutely slammed by this recent correction in the market. All the way to the bottom, it was around 81%, which is absolutely crushed in comparison to some cryptos which bounced back very, very quickly. Vechain is still bouncing nicely though. It's bounced from around 5 cents here, and it went all the way up to around 15 cents. So we're looking at around a 200% increase if I can get my measurement tool right. For some reason, I'm struggling with that. There we go. 195% to this recent peak, as we can see here. But everything looks good for Vechain. Looks like it's just moving its way up inside of this channel. We're obviously making higher lows, which is something that we've been telling everyone that is key for a long while here. And we are making higher highs now in this trend. So as you can see, we've got this ABC. We've come back down and had this D wave here, hopefully. So the next thing that we're looking for is another leg up so that Vechain can break through this 16 cent resistance that we said has been very, very critical. Basically getting back up into these higher echelons of the price action for Vechain. This is obviously a historical, very strong support. As you can see, we've had a double bottom here, and we did have a double bottom here before we collapsed through the bottom because of the market-wide capitulation. But obviously, as you can see, this is a very, very key level for Vechain. I think if we can break through this level here and basically break through here and then retest it as support and then continue onwards, I do think things are going to be very good for Vechain in the future. And yeah, still very bullish on Vechain. Not really much to say with the recent price action. Things are looking good in our opinion. We're still above our EMAs. As you can see, we've got our bullish flip of the EMAs here. And we almost flipped bearish here, but it looks as though the bulls remained in control. And it seems as though, you know, Vechain's slowly making its way up. So hopefully we can continue this, retest this area at around 16 cents and then continue onwards, because that's what we're looking for, obviously. Short-term price prediction would be just that. We want to see Vechain come up, make this higher high again, keep going up like this. We've come back and retested this previous level here now. So we've retested, and now we really want to just push on, break through this 16 cent level, maybe come down and retest that, and then trade sideways and slowly upwards in the next few weeks. Obviously, if Bitcoin breaks through that 40k mark, I do think there's going to be a lot of bullish momentum in the market, which could see the price go up much faster. But obviously, we want some steady progression so that we don't crash straight back down, as we did right here. Obviously, we came up here, didn't really retest any supports, and then boom, straight to the downside. So long-term price prediction, we obviously think $2 to $3 still for Vechain. Very, very possible. Huge project, massive amount of potential. I mean, 5 to 10 years out, if you're holding this for a 10-year period, you're probably going to do very, very well in our opinion. Not financial advice, of course, but this is a top project that is probably going to stand the test of time. So that's our update for Vechain today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you want to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.